Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to easily change your Twitter or X account username in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. The first step is to open X or Twitter app on your mobile device. Once you are in, click on the profile at the top left corner. A menu will appear. Again, click on the profile. When you click on it, a new window will appear. Now, you'll notice an Edit Profile button right here. Click on it. However, this only allows us to change our name, not the username. Unlike Instagram and TikTok, where you can change it directly in the profile editor. To change the username on X, we need to go back to our home page, click on our profile picture in the top left corner of the screen, and then expand the Settings and Support menu. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, within the X settings, you'll see an option labeled Your Account at the very top. Click on that to open it, and then navigate to Account Information. Here, you'll find the username option. Let's open it. Here, you can easily change your username. The current one is displayed at the top. And you can type in a new username in the second box labeled New. As you type, a little green indicator will appear, letting you know that the new username is available. Once you've chosen your new username, simply tap on Done in the top left corner, and your username will be updated on your X account. It's that simple. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.